for life renewed all the innocence. My Father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with you, I guess I'll never end. How I'd love to dance with my Father again. When I and my mother disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He made me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he opened the door under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could still one final dance, one final